Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will discuss about the dispersion of light, which is an important topic in the class 10th physics. Students, as you know that when light passes from one medium to another medium, it undergoes a refraction, or its path is changed, it undergoes a bending, and this bending of light when light travels from one medium to another medium is known as refraction. Now, if you take a prism, when we pass light through this prism, when we pass a beam of visible light through this prism, this visible light splits into a band of 7 colors. So when we pass visible light or white light through prism, it splits into 7 colors, just like this. This band of 7 colors, that is waveguide, is formed. So we can simply say that when white light or visible light passes through a prism, it splits into the 7 colors or band of 7 colors, which is known as waveguide. This phenomena of splitting of white light or splitting of the visible light into the band of 7 colors, this is known as dispersion of light. So students, dispersion of light is the phenomenon of splitting of visible light or white light into a band of 7 colors is known as dispersion of light. So dispersion of light is a splitting of white light into 7 colors, and this band of 7 colors, which is known as waveguide, is also known as the visible spectrum. So we can say that visible spectrum is composed of 7 colors, that is waveguide, VIBGYOR, where V stands for violet, I stands for indigo, B stands for blue, G stands for green, Y stands for yellow color, O stands for orange, and R stands for red. In this waveguide, violet color has the least wavelength. This violet color has the least wavelength, whereas this red color has the highest or maximum wavelength. So we can say that in this white light, in visible light, red color has highest wavelength, that is lowest frequency, whereas violet color has lowest wavelength or highest frequency. So students, this was about the concept of dispersion of light. In this dispersion of on the basis of this principle, that is dispersion of light, different phenomena associated with light are explained. Like we can explain rainbow, we can explain this rainbow on the basis of dispersion of light. Similarly, we will discuss another topic in the light, that is scattering of light. That will be explained in the next lecture. Thank you and have a nice day.